Welcome back to this video. If you use Android phone, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to simply clean up your Google Play Store search history. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store. I'm going to click on here to open up my Play Store. Having opened up your Play Store, next thing you need to do is to click on the profile icon. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. The next thing you need to do is simply click on general. It's going to take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on account and device preferences. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and click on clear device search history. And this is going to pump up. Then click on clear history. Search history cleared. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.